Hey guys, Andrew here with Great Lakes Sprouts Media. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really cool way, easy way, one of the easiest plants to clone. We got figs. We're here in Ohio, zone 5-6. These plants typically would not last throughout the winter here. You can see this is a cold frame that I used. My friend Pac, I call him the fig king. He grows over 50 different varieties. He kind of got me into figs, and these are cuttings that I got from him. But you can see this is a cutting I took in the fall time, and I had it wrapped in the refrigerator. I got probably about 50 to 100 cuttings in here, and I stuck them in the pot in the springtime, and bam, we're getting all new plants coming in there. This is a cutting I took today. You can see this one method, we remove the leaves to decrease transpiration when you're taking a cutting. Same thing. Some people like to do a little bit of scarring like that to help the epidermal roots to develop, and we stick this into our pot. The taller the pot, the better. Reason being is because we're increasing the total, there's a little guy crawling on me, increasing the total surface area of it refraining from drying out. You'll get a bunch of root growth growing, bam, you're gonna get new cuttings like this. We can cut this dead growth off once you see the bud sides coming in. But yeah, we just take any lead like this, cut it. Typically we want to go with the top, stink bug. And we have multiple cuttings we can take here. I took them, like I said, in the fall time and wrapped these and kept them dormant in the refrigerator for about 6 months. Some people even a couple years. You just want to check and make sure they're not molding, but I have them individually wrapped so they're not touching each other. But yeah, we got to remember, guys, we got the cold frame here, zone 5. If we're keeping these in pots like this, you're going to have to bring it inside. You can put it in the garage. You can put it in your house if you got like a walk-in room, something like that, but these will not survive throughout the winter time here. We need to protect them. Usually under 20 degrees Fahrenheit causes death in these plants. But yeah, there you go, guys. This is how you clone figs. Basically just stick them into a media such as cocoa coir. We can use a little bit of compost, good drainage, a little bit of sand or perlite, and potting mix. But in this situation here, I'm using straight cocoa coir, which is, I like cocoa coir because it's pretty inert media. It's antifungal, antibacterial. It doesn't cause a lot of problems and issues, and it retains a lot of moisture. And you can see I have a lot of success here with these cuttings. I got this thornless variety blackberry here. Same method, guys. This is a hardy woody perennial, grapes as well, but we can use this method to clone these as well. Or you could do tip layering, which you actually take it into the pot and pin it down. And once it's rooted, you take that cutting off. It's very important though to remember, guys, we want to refrain from this drying out. We would keep the humidity at 100%. So you can, if you have a dome, old milk jug or something, keep it over the top for about a week. You'll know after about a week or so, remove that and just keep this constantly moist. Make sure it's not drying out. But like I said, this is a really good, easy plant to start with for cloning. Same thing with the blackberries or grapes. You guys will have a high success rate. Try a bunch of them. Higher success rate, especially if you're using a top lead where there's more auxin, which is a hormone that helps the plant produce more chemicals. But you can take several cuttings going down, but you'll have a higher success rate with central leads like this. But yeah, it's an easy way to do it. And if you guys have any more questions, feel free to comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe button, guys. Stay tuned, guys. After this video, we got some super secret, awesome fig growing videos to show you from my friend Pac's operation. It's pretty cool.